Hi there. Today I want to have a conversation with you about 10 ways to help you increase your credit score. We know that with a good credit score, when it comes time to purchasing your home, you'll get a better interest rate. You can purchase a home with a 580 credit score. However, the interest rate, it's going to be pretty high. But see if you can get your credit score up to at least 620 or 640, then that way you can get a better interest rate before purchasing your home. So if that's the kind of information that you're looking for, let's see what these 10 tips are. Hi there, my name is Cynthia Sharp with Premium Properties Realty. On this channel, we talk about everything Orlando, where to eat, where to sleep, where to live, where to play, and we also sprinkle in a little bit of information about home decor and DIY for you. So if that's the kind of information that you're looking for, go ahead and tap that little button and then click the bell. That way you'll be notified every single time that we upload a new video. I want to share with you 10 tips to help increase your credit score. The first one is kind of like the elephant in the room. Student loans. Pay your student loans. Pay on them. Now, if you have deferment or forbearance on your student loans, once they come out of deferment or forbearance, start paying on them. Pay on them every single month. This is going to increase your credit score because it's going to show the consistency of paying that student loan and paying it on time, of course. Tip number 2, if you can, set up automatic bill pay. This will prevent any late payments, which is also going to look really good on your credit report because it's going to again show this consistency of paying your bills and paying them on time. Tip number 3, paying down your credit card balance. You want to make sure that that balance, if you have a balance that is rolling over month to month, you want to make sure that that balance is only a third of your credit limit. If it's higher, that's going to show that you are not able to manage your bills and that you are using your credit card to actually live. So you want to make sure you get that credit card balance under a third of whatever that credit limit is. Tip number 4, I would also suggest getting 1 or 2 secure credit cards. However, the secure credit card that you get, you want to make sure that after a period of time, maybe 6 to 12 months, that it will convert to a regular or a traditional credit card. You don't want to get a secure credit card, close it out after your credit score increases, and then get a regular credit card because the credit bureaus look at your longevity, your credit history. So by having that secure credit card, making sure that it will convert over to a traditional credit card, then that way it's going to show the longevity of that credit card. Tip number 5. Now, this can be a little tricky. You'd have to have someone that really trusts you in order to do this. That would be become an authorized user. So the way it works is you would become an authorized user on someone who already has credit established, who already has a long credit history. So for instance, this individual would have to have had credit established for a while and good credit because they will put you on their credit card. However, you won't get a copy of the card, but you'll be able to take advantage of their good credit. Tip number 6, dispute any inaccuracies on your credit report. The only way that you can do that is to get a copy of your credit report. So Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, they provide free credit reports annually. You can get, I'll actually have that link down below for you, but once you get those credit reports, you want to look them over. Make sure that there are no inaccuracies. If there are inaccuracies on those credit reports or on your credit report, make sure that you dispute it. This is going to also help increase your credit score. Tip number 7, I think it's number 7 that we're on. If you have any old credit cards that you're not using, don't close them out. That will make your credit score tank like nobody's business. So leave them open, but just don't use them. If you use them, of course, follow the standard procedure. Make sure you're paying them every single month. Tip number 8 is kind of like a little piggyback. Pay off your credit card. If you are able to pay your credit cards off, that you have, pay them off. If you're not able to pay them off, as I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure that that balance that rolls over is under 30% of the credit limit. Tip number 9, protect your personal information. I can't stress that enough. Protect your personal information. That's why it's important to get a copy of your credit report. That way you can look to see and make sure no one has used your credit, opened up accounts in your name with your social security number. Because once your credit has been compromised and there is fraud on your account, it can be really hard to kind of get that rectified. So please protect your personal information. And then tip number 10, I would highly suggest checking out ExperianBoost.com. It's a pretty cool website. I like the way that they have their setup. They use unconditional or untraditional ways to help you increase your credit score. So for instance, once you get your banking account connected to Experian Boost, what they will do is they will look at your water bill, they will look at your light bill, they will look at your internet, they will look at your cell phone bill. They're looking to see if you're paying those bills on time. If you are, that's going to help increase your credit score. I like their website because it's pretty simple. It's kind of cut and dry, just standard. So if you're practicing paying your bills on time, this is definitely going to be beneficial to you because it's going to show automatically. And within a few months, your credit score can jump up. Because the higher your credit score, the better your interest rate will be. Let me know in the comments below if this information has been beneficial to you, and if you'd like to hear more information on building your credit and preparing yourself so that you can purchase the home that you want to purchase and making sure that you get a good interest rate. Also, don't forget, tap the subscribe button below and click the bell. That way you'll stay notified every single time that we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching.